It's my new case I picked up from Academy Sports. I'm going to use this case to put my X-Tar EP9, which is a pistol carbine 9mm that I need a case for. So pick this little short case up to deck it out. So show you some of the properties of it. Waterproof, dustproof. Has the pick foam on the inside, pressure release, lockable. As you can see, it comes with lock and latches also, which is a plus. It also has slots for padlocks. So let's get into it. The whole thing is plastic, even the latches. Has a nice little pop to it. Feels fairly sturdy. Flip them off. Let's open it up. Does have your little weather seal there. Instructions and the keys. Alright, on the bottom you have your pull apart foam. On the top you have your egg crate. Alright, here's my X-Tar all fitted in the case. First thing you want to do is line up where you want everything. Get it in the right position. And for this particular pistol, I'm going to trace around it with some little dots with a Sharpie. Then I would take it up and just pick apart the foam that's in the outline. Same thing for the magazines. They're just really going to be probably two of the squares per magazine. So you just have to pick the length out. So let's get started. I don't know if you can see that, but I already got started. I don't know if you can see those little black marks there. And I'm just placing little dots all around it to make my outline. And there's my outline. Looks pretty good. Another good thing about this box is that it has the pull apart, pick apart foam, but under it has another foam, so you can actually pick all the way through this if you wanted to, and just use the bottom foam and the top foam to hold your weapon that you of choice. Just about done. Just want to show you how I'm doing this. The best way I found to do it is to just put your finger down in between where you want your outline is, and just kind of get your finger in there and just kind of pull it apart to where you need it to be. Especially when you have a lot of angles like I do. If you just have a bunch of straight lines, it's not that bad. But when you have to step some of the squares, it can be a bit challenging. And make sure you go all the way down to your bottom pad. Here. And that's it. Let me finish this up and I'll show you the end result. Once you get it all plucked out, just go ahead and just start removing it. See what we got here. Man, it looks like something from Minecraft, but let's see how it works. Perfect. Let's see the profile of it. And that's what I wanted, just barely enough over that foam. And this egg crate is going to protect the rest. It's pretty good. Now let's work on the magazines. And there we have it. Not getting any movement inside the box, that's what I want. Another thing I want to look at is make sure the foam is not powering on my sight. Which it's not. It's a little push button here. If you push it and hold it, it'll turn it on. So the foam is not turning it on, which is good, and that's what I want. All in all, decent little case that I picked up again from Academy. 69 bucks. These magazines got in today. They are from Elite Tactical. These are 31 round, I'm sorry. Magazines, 217 round magazines. These magazines were $19 each from Elite Tactical, so it's a pretty good price on those. Lifetime warranty also on those. There you have it. That concludes my video. Don't forget to like and subscribe.